Hi, I'm Scarlett Rose. I teach, lecture, and do quilt judging, and I'm very happy to be moving into the virtual world that looks like it's coming along. I have been doing teaching and quilting for many, many years. So today I'm just going to share some of the more recent samples I have with me. If you would like a more in-depth brochure, that's on my website at scarlettrose.com. Please go by and download this, and it'll give you a more complete listing of what I have available. I'm known for teaching bias applique. You learn how to make your own bias tape for Celtic knotwork or any other things that might need long skinny stems or pieces that need to curve. I've taken my Celtic designs into Sashiko and big stitch quilting. That way it can be interspersed with patchwork blocks and used in other styles of quilts. I do teach machine applique, invisible or decorative. There's a different method for making that bias tape, which will make it easier to stitch down. When I hand embroider, I use pearl cotton thread. This sample is the twilling stitch with beads added for a little bit more glitz. I design my own panel prints on spoon flower. These are available for sale, and they are in solid colors for kind of more of a modern look. Quilt them with all the elaborate designs that you would like, embroider them, or do any other types of embellishing. My newest series of patterns that I teach are hearts and homes, these charming little houses, 4.5-inch blocks, made with scraps, just assortments of little cute designs. The ship pattern is the Mayflower because of the 400th anniversary of the Mayflower landing in America. Dragon scale rings. This is a straight line, no curved seam, no inset patch pattern. And it does have that look, though, of the overlapping circles. This is paper pieced. So another class that I teach, very scrappy. Follow the wind patchwork pattern has lots of room for you to play with your lights, darks, and mediums to create not only the traditional flying geese, but even little kitty cats. Heart lines, very scrappy 2.5-inch block. Something that I thought would be more modern looking, more modern traditional appeal, and hearts and trees. I did the homes, so hey, you've got to have some trees to go with those homes. For my lectures, besides the variety of Celtic applique lectures that I give, I talk about round robins, from the traditional round robin to the random robin. I talk about vintage signature quilts, collections from my own family, as well as the many circles and groups that I've belonged to over the years. You'll learn all the funny stories and educate yourself for well. It's a great opportunity to get to learn to know people in your group. Here's my contact information. This will be in the spreadsheet that you can download. Please feel free to contact me. I'd love to come and visit your guild and do a virtual lecture or workshop. Thank you.